A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you have enjoyed your holidays. You have done the assignment, you have done the question answers, you have learnt all the syllabus. But before we start with the new chapter, I want to welcome you all. My heartiest welcome. Welcome means when you enter the little classroom, consider yourself one of the special member of a group who enjoys learning together. This is the meaning of welcome. So I welcome you all. A very warm welcome. And now we'll start our first chapter, that is called Internet Online Surfing. So let's start the chapter. Chapter 10, Internet Online Surfing. Before we start with the chapter, I want to tell you what is Internet. The Internet is a network or system that connects millions of computers all over the world. Internet can be accessed via tablet, computers and your cell phones. Nowadays, televisions are also Android ones and we can use the facility of internet on our LCDs or LEDs. Now, in this chapter, we will include the topics popular internet services, popular threats while using the internet, netiquettes, email and its features, attaching a file, replying and forwarding an email, adding your signatures, how to manage the contacts, and how will you log out or sign out from your email ID. So let's start the chapter with topic popular internet services. As you know, internet is defined as a network of millions of computers connected to each other worldwide through telephone lines or cable. It means all computers are interconnected with each other through telephone lines or cables. You can relate the term internet to the telephone network or the interstate highway system, which is spread across and interconnected to each other. It means all are interconnected with each other. It is the largest information database and has become a vital part of our life. Nowadays, internet becomes a very important, very vital part of our life. Without internet, we cannot survive, I think so. It enables the user to share ideas and search for information on any topic. We can use Google and we can search any information or any topic anytime. 24/7 we can use the internet for any information. The booming technologies of the modern age have made our life much easier and more connected across the globe via internet connected networks. Although the internet has provided great opportunities in almost all spheres, we should remain cautious while using the mobile phones because we have to face many challenges and threats associated with it. In this chapter, we will give a brief introduction to several internet services like email, online chatting, video conferencing, e-learning, social networking, etc. The various threats associated with the use of the internet and the best practice that should be followed while using the internet email. The most popular means of online communication will be further discussed in detail in this chapter. One of the most popular internet services, email. Now we will discuss what is email. Email is an economical mode of communication. It facilitates in sending the messages and files such as pictures, songs, videos, etc. to multiple people at the same time. What does it mean? It means through email we can send messages like pictures, songs and videos too many person at a same time. Our next topic is online chatting. So I will tell you what is online chatting. Chatting means gupshup karna, how to converse with each other, how to talk on internet is called online chatting. Chatting is a more personalized form of communication that happens live. This amazing way of communication allows user to send instant message. When a person sent you a message and then you reply, that is called instant message. Back and forth to each other, that is called online chatting. You can also interact with each other through voice and video chats. Even you can do the voice chatting or you can show your faces, that is called video chats. Chatting on the internet can take place via some messengers, some chat website or chat rooms, etc. Next topic is video conferencing. Video conferencing is the best option if you want to see the faces of your near and dear ones. So we can say that it is a best option to have a face-to-face interaction in real time. A video conference can be described as a phone call with live video that allows multiple people sitting at different areas, different locations, and they communicate or they exchange videos and audio at the same time. Our next topic of popular internet services is e-learning. What do you mean by e-learning? Nowadays you all are using e-learning method, that is called electronic learning. It means learning with the use of technology that enable people to learn anytime or anywhere. It is less expensive than traditional learning and can be used to impart training to a large group of students at the same time in an interactive and interesting manner. Nowadays we all are sitting at our homes. We cannot go to school due to corona, so we are using the medium e-learning. We are imparting the knowledge from our homes, and you are taking the knowledge from your homes through internet services like e-learning. Through internet or through e-learning, teachers can train a large number of students. More than 500 students can be trained, and large group of students can be trained in an interactive and interesting manner. And it also saves the times and it reduces the need for costly classroom based training. And through e-learning we can download study material from universities, which may consist with many types of medias like audio, text, animation and videos. Nowadays we are making PPTs for you. You can see there are a lot of videos, there are a lot of audios. We have used animated videos for you so that you can learn from your home through this e-learning method. Now the next topic of popular internet services, internet free calls. Some of the application or software are giving you the facility of using internet free calls like Skype, WhatsApp, Tango, Viber, Google Hangout. They all are giving you a facility to call without any cost with any one of your friend or relative all over the world. So it is a feather in the cap of the internet is that it lets you make free calls and video calls to anyone across the world. You can make free calls at much lower rates to any place in the world. Some software even allow you to send free messages and videos along with the free internet calls. The only condition is that particular software or application should be installed in your system also and in my system also, in your friend system also and in your system also. After installing the software on your mobile or a computer system, you have to create one account, and after using that account, both can use the same application or software for internet-free calls. One more popular internet services is social networking. What do you mean by social networking? A social networking is a site or online platform that focuses on facilitating the building of social network or social relations among people who share interests, activities, background, real life connection, etc. Social networking can be done for social purposes or business purposes, both. Social networking sites are also called social medias. Some major social networking sites are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Our next topic is e-groups. What do you mean by e-group? E stands for electronic group. It is a virtual meeting place for individuals who share the same interest. It provides a platform for people to share information on topics of their own interest. They share the messages, photos, and albums. An e-group typically contains a discussion or a message board where other members can discuss topics of their own choice by posting a messages, and rest of the members of this group can view or reply to the post. Nowadays, we are using Internet TV. What is Internet TV? Internet TV can be defined as a medium of delivering television content over an internet connection. It is available where a broadband connection exists. Internet TV is also known as web television. It is more like a replacement for cable TV with similar offering and fee. Internet TV options include web-based shows, video on demand, and regular television shows hosted on the channel websites. You can watch Internet TV anytime on a computer screen, TV screen, or mobile phones by searching and retrieving the programs of your choice. Some of the popular service providers of Internet TV are Netflix, Hotstar, Sony Live, etc. Least but not the last popular internet services is internet radio, as internet TV, as internet radio. On internet radio, as name suggests, is an online radio service that is broadcasted over the internet on dedicated radio servers. It is broadcasted in much the same way as traditional radio with regard to its presentation and format. Internet radio has no limitations. Some of popular radio services are Vivid Bharati, Radio Mirchi, Pandora, etc.
Thank you.